Today, we're replacing the stock CPU cooler with a larger one. But why? The goal is lower noise, lower temperatures, and higher overall performance. Recently, I upgraded from the Ryzen 5 2600X to the Ryzen 5 5600. The older chip is based on the Zen Plus architecture, built on a 12nm process. It features 6 cores and 12 threads, with boost frequencies up to 4.2 GHz. The newer model uses Zen 3 architecture. It has the same number of cores, runs at a higher clock speed, comes with double the L3 cache, and offers better IPC, instructions per cycle, which means stronger single-core performance. The upgrade was worth it. For example, in the CPU-Z benchmark, there's roughly a 30% performance increase. Thanks to the 7nm manufacturing process, the newer processor is also more efficient. Its TDP is just 65 watts, and it ships with the smaller Wraith Stealth cooler, while the older one had a 95-watt TDP and the larger Wraith Spire cooler. Ryzen processors use intelligent power management, a feature called Precision Boost Overdrive. It automatically adjusts clock speeds and voltage based on temperature, power limits, and workload. In practice, the CPU dynamically controls its own performance limits, power, current, and thermal headroom, to push performance as far as conditions allow. And that's exactly why we're swapping it for this older but much heavier 960-gram beast, the MSI Core Frozr L.
Asystent. Okay.